Today's video is about police instant karma and convenient cop. Remember to drive safely and always follow the rules of the road. As always, there's a bonus video at the end. The speed limit is 65 here, and you can see from my dash cam, I'm locked in 70. I had others passing me up, but this guy was the fastest yet. The trooper was really moving to catch up.
Break down exactly what happened in the debate. We help who's going to be hurt. We also talk about gunshot. All right, let's go over to the House of Representatives. Are they doing anything over there? We've got Byron Donalds, Reagan Kelly, and so shout out to Greg Kelly for doing some good yesterday. Great stuff. All right.
すごい。何あいつ。頭おかしい。何あれ。気狂ってる。おまわりさん登場。これは危ないぞ。あいつ頭おかしい。うお。すげえ。すげえすげえ。すげえすげえ。すげえすげえ。これはすごい。もう行かれ。行かれ。お、まだまだ。
I don't know, maybe 77, 78. I'm not sure. I'd have to ask Sam's. Look at this guy.
Here he comes
Oh
the
my
police.
God.
He's trying to escape.
That cop saw him do that.
Yeah.
I wonder if he's going to catch up with him. He won't be able to catch up with him. He'll get away. Where'd he go?
Probably catch up with him.
Huh?
Probably catch up with him. How's he going to get away?
I don't think. Turn in somewhere and the cop wouldn't see where he turned.
He's right behind him now.
Oh, he is?
He got in the turn lane there.
That was a bad thing.
No, we should save that one.
Oh, yeah. I couldn't see who it was.
This video was created for educational, informational, and entertainment purposes only. Feel free to leave your comments under the video.
ДПС за ним поехал. Дебил, блин. Сейчас его нагнут. Инвалиды.
Да, есть этот, нескучная такая улица. Вот еще один, блядь, из своего ряда поворачивает. Это что, пизда, нет, за рулем? Что, по рукам, судя, нет? Не вижу, не пойму.
По-моему, да? Ебать, еще, блядь, номера-то какие, блядь.
Да, че, обычные. Семерки, бля, у нас эти мусоровозы ездили одно время с этими номерами.
У нас, блядь, копейки ездили, нахуй.
Тихо, тихо. Иди нахуй, блядь.
Гай.
Ты чё, сука? Ты чё, ебланина, блядь?
Он говорит,
Уёбок, блядь. Все, его приняли.
Honda Civic driver didn't like the other white car cutting him over, started to have road rage, and police pulled him over.
In 1 mile. Exit right to exit 157, US 46 East, Garfield.
Minnetonka, Massachusetts. Instant karma for red light runner. In the bonus video, what are your thoughts? Write in the comments. How often do you see instant karma on the road? Write in the comments and then send us your video.